Hey, what's up guys? It's me, MJ here, and today we're gonna do some battles. So, our first competitor today is Scythe. Scythe 460T, and he's up against the world champion, Zest Achilles, Aiga AKABANE. And yeah, let's do it. So this is Achilles on right spin. 3, 2, 1, go. Stamina type, by the way. 3, 2, 1, go. Heavy hits from Scythe. Okay. Looks like that all on Scythe's stamina. So 1 point for Achilles. This is for 5 points, guys. Alright, let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so knockout finish. Achilles wins. So right now, 1 point for Achilles, 2 points for Achilles, and 0 for Scythe. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, nice attacks from Scythe there. Can he bring down Aiga though? Okay. Alright, looks like Scythe took that one. So 1 point for Scythe, 2 points for Achilles. And we got a 1 click there. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, ready? Hell yeah. So that's 3 points for Achilles, 1 point for Scythe. No clicks from Achilles there. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Oh. Okay, who's gonna win this one? Achilles wins with a spin finish. So 4 points for Achilles. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, let it. First finish for Scythe. Let's go. So that's 2 points for Scythe and 4 points for Achilles. Will we see Scythe make a comeback or Achilles takes this next round? Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, let it. Let's see. Let's see if Scythe can make a comeback. Okay, so Achilles wins with 5 points. So 5 points to Achilles and 2 points for Scythe. And for the bonus battle, let's get one of the things here. Let's get Transword from DX07 against Astral Hello Kitty. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys.